Hey boys and girls, it's Jeff Armbruster again with It Starts With Change, and we're going to make another awesome Shakeology recipe today. We are going to be doing the brand new Cookies and Cream. This came out just within the last week, and no, there's no real cookies or no real cream in it. They've just, basically formulated this to taste like cookies and cream. As we mentioned before, Shakeology is full of vitamins and minerals, probiotics, prebiotics, digestive enzymes. There's just so much goodness in it. It's a really dense version of nutrition for every single day. So what we're going to do today is make Shakeology cookies and cream with bananas and strawberries. We are going to, unlike the last Shakeology video that we did with caramel, we're going to add some milk today. Again, adding milk will add a few extra calories, so that's going to be up to you. Shakeology alone with the ice is about 160 calories. The way we're going to make it today is going to be somewhere around 230, 240 healthy calories, because we're going to be doing strawberries and bananas and a little bit of skim milk. So with that being said, these are the packets. I actually have already prepared it from a larger bag, so all we got to do is drop it in our ice. Oh, the smell of that's awesome. I'm going to add a little bit of milk to bring it up to about 2.5 ounces. And we're going to add a few extra strawberries into that. I like to split them. I like to add 3 or 4 strawberries into mine. I split them just a little bit easier for the blender to cut them. We'll add 1 more strawberry. And then the final thing we do is we're going to add half a banana. Now I actually took a ton of bananas, froze them, cut them into halves. It's just a little trick for you guys to have always bananas on hand. And that's our concoction. We're going to pop it up, close it up, make sure it's nice and tight. And we are going to go on crush ice first. And I like to liquefy. Crush ice one more time just to catch those loose pieces. Shut her off. And wham, we have strawberry, banana, cookies, and cream. Pour it in our Shakeology cup. Catch that little bit extra in a second. And there we go. We have strawberry, banana, cookies, and cream. It's from Beachbody. You guys can see the links below. And thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jeff Armbruster with It Starts With Change.